Hey everyone, welcome back to the Bro Show showroom. Got another great one, 2016 Hyundai Tucson. Finishing this gorgeous Caribbean blue. Man, it shines. Gorgeous looking vehicle. Just came in. We're gonna do a quick walk around the outside and I'll show you some interior features. This is the premium package, premium all-wheel drive to be exact. As you can see here, don't be fooled if it doesn't say all-wheel drive on the back. It is definitely not an all-wheel drive. They do come front wheel as well. Nice alloy wheels. Turn signal indicators on the mirrors. Fog lights. I turned this one on because it is hot outside today. We do these walkarounds for transparency. You've also got the side rails, so you can always throw cross rails on the top. Have a ski box, kayak carrier, something like that. So a good sized trunk. Keep the mats back here until it's sold. So you got anchors on all the seats as well for baby seats. The seats also 60-40 split fold, so you can fold one or both. But if you want to leave them up, you definitely will do that. Make sure you take the kids out before you fold them down. But again, very versatile, handy to have. Carry the kids, carry the lumber. That's what it's all about, versatility. All right, Tucson definitely very, very popular right now. 4-cylinder, good size, not really giving up much, but not too big. Again, good cloth seats. You have some cup holders in the middle, which can be folded up. You got some vents in the back, which is great on a day like today. Blow that cold air for your passengers. And in the wintertime, heated seats, 2-stage on the outside seats, and power windows, which is to be expected. Move up here. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors, locking rear windows as well. You get an adjustable driver's seats. It's all manually adjustable, every facet of it. Same thing for the passenger seat, it's adjustable. You've got the ability to turn that down and adjust your interior illumination. You have lane departure warning, and you also have traction control. So again, some good safety features there. You have all your volume controls, Bluetooth hands-free calling, voice recognition on the left-hand side. You can toggle through your modes, adjust your radio as well. You also have your information center here, so you can toggle through and personalize the vehicle with your cruise control settings as well. You got your drive modes, so because it's electric steering, I can drive it in normal, eco, or sport mode. You have 4-wheel drive lock, which you can definitely shut off. You don't need that today. You have electric or downhill brake assist control. You have all your 12 volts here, plug-ins. You have heated seats on both sides. You also have a front rear defrost. All your conditioning is really easy to use. There's hazards right here. And if we move up, backup camera, everything easy, little touch screen here, XM radio capabilities. So again, if you have an XM radio subscription, you can plug and play into it, or if you want to try it out, you definitely have the ability to do that as well. So again, really versatile. Cloth's in nice shape. I always go over this. Dash is in nice shape, no cuts or anything like that. Only 83,000 kilometers. Low kilometers, lots of features, all-wheel drive. Get ready for the winter. I didn't want to say the W word, but you made me. So guys, shop 24/7, CYHyundai.com. Call, text, or email if you have any questions about this vehicle or anything else in stock. We look forward to seeing you soon. Make sure you follow us on Facebook. It is important to follow us. We're always giving away stuff, so whether you're in the market or not, make sure you follow us on Facebook. Talk to you soon.